Product name, Cleverfy Shower Steamers, price $19.999. Cleverfy shower steamers are small, dissolvable discs that you place in the shower with you to create a spa-like experience. They come in a variety of scents and claim to offer a number of benefits, such as aromatherapy, stress relief, and improved sleep. Positives: aromatherapy. Cleverfy shower steamers release essential oils into the air, which can have a variety of positive effects on mood and well-being. Some studies have shown that aromatherapy can reduce stress, anxiety, and pain, and improve sleep quality. Relaxation. The warm steam from the shower and the calming scents of the essential oils can create a relaxing experience that can help you unwind after a long day. Natural ingredients. Cleverfy shower steamers are made with natural ingredients, such as essential oils and plant extracts. This means that they are free of harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances. Negatives: limited research. There is limited scientific research on the effectiveness of shower steamers for aromatherapy or other health benefits. More studies are needed to determine whether they are truly effective. Potential for irritation. Some people may experience skin or respiratory irritation from essential oils. If you have any concerns, it is important to talk to your doctor before using shower steamers. Cost: Cleverfy. Shower steamers can be more expensive than other bath and body products. Overall, Cleverfy shower steamers are a safe and natural way to add a little luxury to your shower routine. However, it is important to be aware of the potential negatives before using them. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor.